Welcome to my detailed review of the American Express Rewards credit card issued by American Express Bank GmbH. I've been using this card for several months, and today I'll walk you through my real experience. Everything from the application process to how the reward system actually works in day-to-day life. Starting with the application process, it's entirely online and pretty straightforward if you have your documents in order. However, it does require a decent credit history, and if you're new to credit in Germany, you may face some hurdles. Once approved, I received the card within about a week, nicely packaged with welcome materials. The card itself has a clean, professional design, and it definitely feels premium. Now, let's talk about the main selling point, the rewards. You earn one membership rewards point per euro spent, which on paper sounds appealing. However, in practice, the value of each point isn't particularly high unless you know how to maximize them. Redeeming points for gift cards or statement credit gives you mediocre value, but transferring them to airline partners can sometimes yield better deals if you travel frequently and can be flexible with dates. One big perk is that the card has no annual fee, which is rare for a points-based credit card. That's a huge plus, especially if you're still figuring out whether you want to fully commit to the American Express ecosystem. That said, there are some catches. The acceptance of American Express in Germany still isn't as widespread as Visa or MasterCard. You might run into situations, especially in smaller shops or restaurants, where your card simply isn't accepted. Interest rates are another downside. If you don't pay your balance in full each month, the rates are quite high, so carrying a balance isn't advisable. On the other hand, the card has strong fraud protection and customer service. My experience with their support has been prompt and helpful, especially through their chat and call options. Spending abroad is relatively smooth with this card. The exchange rate is fair, and the card does a good job converting currencies without hidden fees. But again, keep in mind that you'll need to be aware of places that may not take Amex. Many useful links you can find in the description. Another thing to note is the supplementary benefits, like purchase protection and access to ticket pre-sales, which are nice extras, but might not be relevant to everyone. There's also an optional membership rewards turbo program, where you can pay a small monthly fee to earn points faster. This might be worth it if you're a high spender, but casual users won't see much benefit. The mobile app is easy to use, with clear transaction listings and reward tracking. You could also set up instant alerts for spending, which helps keep your budget in check. However, I did find that the app sometimes lags or doesn't update rewards in real time. So is it worth it? If you want a no annual fee credit card that still gives you access to a points-based reward system, and you're okay with the limited acceptance of Amex in Germany, then yes, this card is a solid choice. But if you need something more widely accepted or want faster point accumulation without additional fees, you might want to look elsewhere. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews just like this one.